cannot go there. There's way too many of them.
Okay. That's a misfire.
Fall back! Fall back, guys. Come on. Fall back, fall back.
Fall back?
Fall back.
You sure? I can reach him from here. You're good, bro. Yeah, buddy.
As soon as you lighten them up, we'll go.
What?
As soon as you lighten up, we're going back.
Lighten up?
As soon as you lighten them up,
okay.
We'll go back.
Solid copy, ready? Oh, okay. Solid copy, you're good. Let's go.
Go, go, go. Alright, you three, can you move up to the next objective?
Dirt mound? Oh, you mean the plank fuselage?
Yeah. Can you do it?
I'll try.
Alright then.
Bring it! How's it looking?
We got a couple that way. I don't know what's happening in this direction at all.
Then it's our job to find out.
Guys, tactical canoe.
Let's go. Oh! Huh. Do you think they'd be mad if we did that?
Yeah, probably.
Hey, we got contact this way.
Solid copy.
Hey, left of the road?
Contacts. Right there.
On the other side?
On the other side of that one building over there. There's one in the window, one on the outside. Copy?
Here, go ahead. I'm gonna go to that building. Alright, ready?
Not yet, not yet. Go.
I love it when my gun works.
That's the best feeling, man.
Yeah, dude.
Thanks.
Hey, peek right up out
Yeah,
of
there's people there.
Hit that, hit that.
Gotcha.
Hey, hold, wait for me, wait for me. You ready, 5, 4, 3.
Solid copy, let's go. Call it. There we go, that's one.
Hey, Chad, you got BBs on you?
What?
Hey, BBs. Yeah, I'm about to go clear out those schools. You hit that?
Silo. Circle objects. You see him? You can see his orange barrel. You see him?
Good shot. Back to you. Shoo!
Nice shot, man. Nice. You got his arm.
Got a dude in the arm from between two buildings.
What we got now, Taylor?
We still got guys in that building over there.
We need to hook all the way around.
Can we get to this? Hey, look, this little.
That's one.
Here. Can we
What?
get to that? The top of the T here?
Hey, just careful. There's some guys in the circles.
In the circles?
And the
These
circles.
circles?
Yeah, those.
Yeah. I just want to give you a hug.
Hey, Snow, put the on that corner.
Sorry, I can't hear you.
Put some pepper formula on that corner. Let them move up.
Left corner, right corner.
This one?
Let's go. Reloading. Nice, got one. Hey, bring it, kid, bring it. Oh yeah, bring it, bring it. There we go, I got another one. Hello.
Is that this building over here, do you know if that's friendly?
I'm getting that, I don't know where to go. Okay, you're running back. Ready?
Ready.
Go! Hey, do we have a medic? Any medics?
Nope.
Nope. Shit.
Where is the medic?
Moving up. Hey, building over there, watch out. So, hey, can you keep watch of that building? I'm about to run him over. Tell me when it's clear.
I don't see anybody. Which building
Fuck.
you talking to?
We'll just run. We'll just hook it.
Yeah.
Yeah, we'll just hook it. Ready?
Yeah.
1, 2, 3, go. Ah!
It does bounce off of me.
Can you drag me over here first?
I'll bring him to you, alright?
Tied. You're good.
Oh, that's right, IFAX.
This is mine.
Okay. Okay. Thanks.
So am I good now too?
Um,
Me up here.
Really? Really?
Get him!
1, 2, 3, 4.
come on, dude.
Come on.
I'll go for you next, Josh.
There's some guys held up in the buildings we need to take out, Chad.
That's who got me just now, but
Yeah, they got me
that
too.
orange barrel sticking out. Don't have much
Fuck. Feel like I'm hit again.
Hey, we got another one. Medic, over here.
We just backed into a wall. Like, this is fine. It was only fun because we were defending now. Like, I wouldn't have wanted to.
I can't wait till I'm off.
Oh, really?
Yeah, we're gonna win.
You want to be offensive with a big gun like that?
Yeah, dude. Oh, hey. Oh.
Yeah.
What?
So our squad has lost. This is back to